Across Alabama every day, students walked into our Career Tech classrooms full of potential, curiosity, and creativity. Our job is to make sure that we meet that curiosity with opportunity.
Alabama is built on people taking pride in what they do, whether that's designing, whether that's building, whether that's taking care of people. We're trying to make sure Alabama continues to move forward.
I feel like we've almost lost a generation of kids because we hadn't taught them different trades, something that they would enjoy doing, something that could be successful and make good money at. So it's important that kids understand not only that it gives them a chance to be successful for the rest of their lives, but also gives them a chance to fulfill their dreams.
The legislature's been so good to us this spring, investing $150 million in modernizing our career tech centers, make sure that our students are working on the most modern technologies. You know, another great thing the legislature did for us this year is they opened up a pathway so that businesses can loan teachers to their local school system. They continue to pay the person's salary, they continue to stay on that company's benefits, but they're spending their time investing in young people.
There are many students who benefit from a career tech teacher or instructor who has been in that field and who can accommodate the students' interest.
They have real-world experience, and that's what young people today are seeking. They can pick up a cell phone and learn anything that they want to learn, but we want them to learn it from the very best and brightest that we have in Alabama.
Be able to collaborate together with industry and business and those that are involved in the education community, pulling everybody together to be pulling in the same direction is what we're trying to do. And I think that's the goal of all involved.
We continue to have overlapping missions because we're all about doing what's best for the future of Alabama. And doing what's best for Alabama's future is doing what's best for Alabama students today. And with the right opportunities, there is no limit to what they can achieve.